Hello everyone, this is Eran from Jerusalem, Israel. If you've been hurt from evil eye or sorcery, cursing, people that hate you, and you feel that from that hate, from that evil eye, you're being hurt and stuck in life, please don't hesitate. Text me 24/6 to my WhatsApp that I will publish here, and send me your name and mother name. With that we can succeed to break the chain of the curse, the sorcery, the evil eye. I will send you what to do. It's very simple procedure, just to light a candle for the Moses, to King David, like they are like the highest prophets from the Jewish nation, and read two chapters from Psalms. I will tell you which Psalms. You can read it in every language that you speak. God knows all the languages. He created the languages after Babylon that he spread mankind to the world. So if you feel that you're stuck in life, please text me 24/6. Thank you for listening. Shalom, shalom from Israel.